Okay, I'm gonna try not to ramble too much and jump around, try to stay on one concept because I only have 3 minutes. But I want to talk about labor supervisory hours in insurance claims. Most of this is geared towards the repairs or reconstruction side, but it could apply to mitigation as well. So in the insurance realm, actually, let's back up. In the construction realm, labor supervisory is something that is regularly charged for, but it is embedded in the pricing, the lump sum pricing. So for the consumers out there, if you hired someone to come remodel your kitchen, you might get a one-page document that says kitchen remodel, maybe some rough specifications like soft closed doors, oak cabinets, quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, farm style sink, that kind of thing, and then a price. That's a lump sum price. It's common. There's nothing wrong with that. In insurance, typically most carriers prefer to see estimates itemized in what's unit pricing and or standardized pricing. A lot of times a program called Xactimate is used to create these estimates, and it's room by room, line by line. So in that unit or standardized pricing, those items like supervisory, overhead, and profit are not embedded in the cost. They're separated out as an additional line item. Labor supervisory is an additional line item to be considered. And then overhead and profit is usually a markup at the end of the estimate. Those are uncommon to the majority of construction projects, other than maybe government work. So it's important for the consumer and the contractor to understand that's kind of a unique element of insurance claims contracting. But labor supervisory is one of the main things I want to talk about. Is even contractors misunderstand that is not an overhead cost. Overhead is your indirect cost, things that are not specifically attributed to the job. Whereas supervisory, someone going on site, meeting with the client, lining out the project, making sure material is there, being there at key intervals, those are direct costs. They're things that should be charged for and not lumped into your overhead. They are direct costs, and if they're not accounted for or approved on the front end, they should be accounted for along the way with details for the project and submitted as a supplement. More on this coming. I'm running out of time. Let me know what you think. Deal, Joe.